So for our bathroom renovation, we ended up doing all new tile, and I had to cut a hole for the toilet flange. And in the past I've used angle grinder, but it's super dusty, it takes forever, and I've even had one crack on me right as I was about to finish. So for this one I wanted to try a new method, and I figured I'd show you how it went for me. I found it to be way easier, loved it, so let's take a look. I bought this 7-inch diamond hole saw off of Amazon, and it just fits into the chuck of pretty much any standard drill. And you're ready to go. Let's give it a try. It's important to have plenty of water handy. It helps keep the saw cool and also reduces the amount of dust. It's pretty straightforward, just hold it steady and you should be able to cut through in about a minute or two and you're left with a perfect circle cut. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.